Guys, good morning, happy Friday, Here, I'm start the live streaming here in the premium to get this going because I am seeing a really nice setup and I really need to rush the setup and by explaining it. Yo, good morning, guys. Good morning. You guys gotta join quick. I am seeing something I kind of like right off open. I don't know if I'm gonna have too much time to explain it, so I gotta talk quick. Okay, so right off open, what are we looking for? We're looking for shorts. Right now, you might be questioning, hey, why are we looking for shorts although we haven't swept liquidity on ES or on NQ? Well, big thing here, guys. If you guys look at ES, on the other hand, we went ahead and took out this. I don't even know how many rejections we have off this level, but we have like a quadruple top, right? We swept this level and we're currently sweeping it, right? So now we're getting a nice selling here on NQ, and we're also inversing or sweeping this high right here. So I'm trying to look for some shorts here to see what we can get because the selling, it looks amazing. So guys, be ready if we get something really quick. Now, I'm going to consider this a little bit risky because the market literally just opened, but I do like what I'm seeing with ES and everything. So I think it is, I think it's worth taking. I think it's worth taking really. Let me see. Because I'm loving the selling and hold on, let me see. Okay, but to take shorts really soon. I really like the way this looks. I really do like the way this looks, and it's super risky. But ES right here is kind of holding up a little bit, so I'm a little bit worried about this. But with ES taking out this London and Asia high, two highs in one level, which is pretty surprising, I really do like the way shorts look. I really do like the way shorts look very soon. Okay, guys, alright, I'm gonna take a jab at shorts, guys. I'm in shorts, guys. I'm in shorts. Let me make sure I wrote it right. I'm in shorts, guys. I just like the way this is setting up way too much. Did I write the alert right? Let me see. 187. Yeah, I did. Okay, perfect. I like the way this is holding down too much. But yeah, what's going on, guys? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Now, the reason I'm so bearish right off open, is it a late entry? I would wait for more selling. If you guys haven't entered yet, wait for more selling to come in. I might have been a little bit too trigger happy on this one for the first entry. But guys, the reason I am so bearish off open, guys, is mainly because ES took out this high up here, the Asia and London high, and it was trying to sweep it. So a lot of selling was stepping in. I'm like, okay, well, it's a no-brainer. So I'm going to see how NQ can hold below this inverse, if it can hold below, and we can target liquidity below. That's what I'm waiting for. That is what I'm waiting for. But yeah, ES, guys, once slash if ES can start showing some weakness here, NQ should just fall all the way down into drawn liquidity. So that's what we're waiting on right now. That is what we're waiting on. Now, I got a little bit too trigger happy because the market literally just opened. I do like what I'm seeing, but you guys know I usually like to wait for the market to kind of give us a bias. But I don't know, I just like this way too much. Now, if you get another entry for the shorts, but I think this is good enough. Like, I think we should see downside pretty soon. Now, I'm really hoping I didn't rush it too much because NQ is showing some buying here. Worst comes to worst, guys, do we take out the all-time high on ES and then we see downside again? But we'll see. We'll see here. Let me see. This stop loss hasn't gotten ticked yet, but I think I got too happy on this setup where I entered too quick, but I'm still winning, guys, up until 217. I just like the idea of shorts way too much. Like, I'm confident the market will go down pretty soon. The thing is, it's just ES. It gave us a false signal here. But let's see. ES gave us a false signal on this because we got the sweeping. but it just couldn't hold below it too much. If anything, we will just wait for an ES all-time high sweep and then we look for shorts again, because I really like the idea for shorts. But so far, I mean, NQ is holding down for now. I mean, we're right next to a stop loss. We're about to get stopped out on this one. It's just ES has too much strength. I'm not sure why we held above the sweep. But yeah, no, this is about to get stopped out pretty soon. We're like edging the stop loss. I'm just waiting on it. I'm just waiting on it. Who knows? I mean, shit, maybe we can go down. But yeah, no, guys, ES just took out all-time high when NQ is struggling to go higher, which is a good sign. But yeah, let's see. Let's see on this one. What is the bind looking like on ES? It's kind of just frozen there. Yeah, no, there's way too much buying. Like, this thing is like, it might as well just stop us out. So you can start finding another setup. It's just that ES has way too much buying. But in the meantime, guys, I mean, we're still in. To be fair, we are still in. But it's just edging it way too much. The best thing that could happen here, guys, is we take out all-time high, which we just did, and we just sell off like crazy. But the buy, like, I doubt was gonna happen like this second. It'll happen later on in the day. I'm sure of that, but right now, I don't know. I don't know. Yep. All right, guys, I got stopped out on this trade. Guys, I got stopped out. I think I rushed it a little bit too quick on that one. But here, I'm gonna try to find one more entry for shorts. I'm not gonna rush it, but a little bit unfortunate on that one. Yeah, guys, I got stopped. Yeah, I got stopped. The thing is, I'm not sure. Like, I don't know. I don't want to say that I rushed the setup, but it looked really good. It looked really good because I was using ES as an indicator. NQ swept liquidity, or not really swept liquidity, but it inverses fair value gap. ES swept this Asia and London high up here, right? We swept it. We got to selling. Everything looked good, but buyers were way too strong still. We might be able to get another entry up here with ES at all-time highs, but we kind of have to wait on that. We kind of have to wait on that. I'm still in, still hoping. No, bro, don't rely on hope, bro. If we got stopped out, we got stopped out. You know what I mean? Like, you can't really rely on the hope part. But it's all good, guys. Guys, don't even stress it. Don't even stress it. I'll give you guys another entry once I find one. But right now, I'm gonna give the market a bit more time to kind of wake up here, and then we should be good to go. And I'm really hoping we don't sell off again, because ES swept all-time highs. Like, guys, I'm telling you guys, I'm bearish. I'm really bearish. It's just finding the entries the part that we need. But let me see if I can find another entry point here. And that trade looked pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Wait, did my chart freeze? The hell? Oh, there you go. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for more of a bias, give the market like maybe 10-15 minutes to create something, and then, you know, we should be good from there. First L in a while. Yeah, unfortunately. It's all. I'm not stressing. I'm sure we can get something else. I'm sure we can get something else. I'm just waiting for some more signals here for a bias. I feel that I don't want to say I rushed it, but I feel like I rushed the setup a little bit. Wait, we have a red folder today? No, we don't, right? Yeah, no, we don't have any red folders today. It's just UOM. That doesn't really do too much. Yeah, bearded. That's what we usually size. Yeah, it also depends on your entry as well. It also depends on your entry. Get that Ethernet? Not yet, bro. Not yet. But let me see here. Mm. I would say I would wait for the 10 a.m. news to come along, and then we should be good. I would want to see 250, which is the London high for NQ, maybe even 263, which is kind of the same thing. If we can see these highs, I'm sure we can get one more reading here in the market. That should be good. It's just that ES, it looks like it wants to be weak, but there's too much buying coming in. So that's why we can't get a clear bias off open. Which I have an idea of it, which I want to be bearish, of course, but it's just that the strength off open doesn't look the most. Yeah, 110. Yeah, Blast, do you have a risk setting? Yeah, make the Apex rules. No, I don't. Not really, no. But yeah, hopefully, for now, guys, if we want to see higher, we would need the UOM news to be bullish so we can see 250. Because we're in a spot right here that the only thing that can really hold us down is the ES all-time highs. So I guess we're gonna have to wait on that a little bit. No, London high is 250. It's right here. And in Asia is 263, which is all-time high as well. So if we can get that, that'll be even better. Don't get me wrong. But let's see. My bias for the entire day is gonna be bearish. I mean, ES has the most. I mean, NQ has the most bearish SMT against ES. So if ES goes down, NQ would literally fall into the levels of liquidity we have below, which is what we want to see. The thing is, right off open, we kind of got a little bit, too quick, and messed it up a little bit. Why bearish? Because we're at all-time highs right now, bro. Longing all-time highs is not the smartest thing. Although the market could keep going up, all day and all that stuff, it's not the smartest thing to do. But yeah, look at this. ES wants to go higher, and NQ is just not doing it. You see what I mean? There's a huge SMT here, so we need ES. Yeah, it's too much. Of course, there's nothing but liquidity to the downside. So yeah, guys, what's it called? ES. We need ES to sweep all-time highs. If ES can sweep all-time highs, NQ should have nothing but downside. That is why I'm so bearish today, and I'm confident we're gonna go down. I do know that we're gonna go down. The thing is where is the setup to catch it? That's the real question. We need the setup. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna give the market one more minute for UOM to come out. But I'm just I don't see why ES wants to go higher. I'm sure we're gonna sweep very soon. Thing is how soon? Because NQ is ready to go down. Like I said, NQ is ready to go down. It's just ES is holding it up. You guys see the difference here? Look at the SMT here. What confirmation did we use on NQ if ES was gonna go down? Oh, what confirmation we're gonna use? We don't have one. That's the thing. We need to wait for a setup. So that's what we're hoping for this UOM news when it comes out in 15 seconds to be a bullish one. We take out 250 and then we go down. That would be a lot better. Let me see. Monday is Veterans Day. I wonder if we will chop until Tuesday. We definitely will, bro. Yeah, with Veterans Day being a thing, for Monday, for the stock market, banks will be closed, and obviously, if banks are closed, our strategy revolves around the banks. So if banks are closed, we can't really trade the market because we can't trade the liquidity in the market. That's the problem. But yeah, guys, UOM news came out. It seems like the volume is really picking up here. So let's see if we can get a nice push up here into 250. Hopefully we can, because then that'll be beautiful. All we need is just to sweep this liquidity. And hopefully we create a fair value gap on the way up. So Monday's going to be cash? Most definitely, yeah. Banks are closed on Monday. Yes, guys. You guys know our strategy revolves around trading with banks. If they're closed, then we're not going to be trading with retail. That's not how I work. And regardless, the market's going to be choppy, regardless of the strategy you guys trade. It always happens. What model do you trade? I do fair value gaps, drawn liquidity sweeps, and all that stuff. Yeah, so far seems like a little bit of chop here. I guess the market's just waiting on ES. Are you bullish on the market overall? I mean, kind of, yeah. I'm not too good at reading long term. It's just all time high. Yeah, it is. I'm not too good at reading long term. But because keep in mind we are trading at highs, but we can only tell. Like I said, I'm not too good at reading long term. So with the SMT, does it mean if ES starts to drop, NQ is gonna drop much harder? Yes, yes, exactly, exactly. ES going crazy, bro. That's what I'm trying to say. Like we're all guys. Like I said a million times. Look at this. ES only pumping up, and Q it's kind of just staying there because if ES falls, which is in my opinion, I really do believe ES is gonna fall. I mean, we're at all-time highs. We don't have liquidity above. It's just a no-brainer. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm kind of waiting on right now. I'm gonna stay a little bit patient until we see it. But I mean, if we want to see higher, which it seems like we kind of do, we might as well just take out 250. That why not? We have this high up here, and best case we take out 263 before we see downside. Did ES take out all time high? Yes, guys, it did. Yes. If another trade plays out, you're gonna full size? Yeah. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. I get you don't have anything to target above. You have Trump. Well, I'm trying to trade the charts, not the news. Just because Trump is got elected doesn't mean that markets are only going to be going up. You gotta keep that in mind. Are you talking about divergence? Yeah, that's what SMT is. It's kind of just a divergence. Yeah, I will. Yep. Do you size 10? I did. I have 700 before I blew. Which I size? Yeah, 7 contracts. Yeah, you're fine. Shorts on ES if we hold this fair value gap up. Oh, we don't have any fair value gaps on ES. It's just kind of just wicks. But we are getting the rejection off of all-time high, which is a good thing. You know, we would consider that a good thing. We just need a setup. That's the thing. We need a setup for this. I'm really confident we can see at least 156, maybe to 121 by the end of the morning. Um, Thing is, we don't have a setup. That's the problem. David, I know your strategy works, but why recently it's just been failing? Bro, what? We've been on a 1 month winning streak. Today has got bro. Today has been the first L in 1 month. Bro, what are you saying? Yeah, you guys gotta take the good and the bad. I mean, it's not always gonna be wins. Keep that in mind. But anyways, I know we're gonna go down. I just know it. It's just that we don't have a setup yet. Maybe we create a fair value gap on this candle and we can work off something with that. But bro, Apollo. um, Wait, let me see something. Regardless, yeah, no. Well, ES is sweeping all-time high, which is a good thing. The question is can we hold this down now? Because if we can, then obviously we can start expecting some liquidity to downside to get filled. Because if we create a fair value gap here, by the time we create this if we even create the fair value gap, we're gonna take out this liquidity. So we might have a little bit of a chance of a reversal. But 121 looks a lot better, a lot stronger. So maybe we can play into that one. Let's see. We are getting the sell-off that we've been expecting. Obviously, with ES being at all-time high, like I said, it's a no-brainer to expect shorts. Um, but we'll see. We'll see. And even if ES had a setup, I would probably take it today. But nothing. There's really nothing. Do you ever trade ES? Nah, not really. It's too slow. Even if you have a really good setup, it's way too slow. Market is teasing us. It's just kind of indecisive today. But that's something patience can fix. You know what I mean? We should be. I wouldn't say we chop out today. There's no way. I mean, the volume looks pretty good. And the charts look good as well. It's just we need a little bit more momentum here. Do you ever work with continuation models? It was a continuation model. Just a fair value gap, a regular fair value gap projection, not an inverse. You just see inverses a lot more in the market. It's a lot more common. That's why I trade them more. remember we barely, because I wasn't used to that. I wasn't used to that model too much. Work for PS? Nah, it doesn't. Actually, it does. It does. It applies $85. There's liquidity at 175. It's mini. It's nothing major. I mean, if anything, I would say we see 121 if the selling is strong. It's just ES is really messing us up today. Do you have weekly and monthly goals? Not really, no. I just trade the chart, and then the money follows. ES is throwing, bro. Yeah, tell me about it. ES is literally the only thing holding us from going lower. And I know, like I said, guys, I'm confident we see lower today. Like, it's a no-brainer. But yeah, let's see if we take out this 156 level. I'm sure we will. I just gotta wait for a setup to come along. I think once it gets past 175, it falls. Maybe 156, not 175. That's more of a weak level. Equal lows on the 15-minute. Yeah, is there. Is there. By the way, did you guys hear about FTT? Bro, that thing was crazy yesterday. I literally knew that was gonna happen. That's what I told you guys. Don't. What happened? It's a prop firm, fast track trading. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. Yeah, they rug pulled everyone. Everyone was getting payouts, and they just denied everyone's payout and just closed the whole firm. I literally told you guys, if it's too good to be true, then it probably is. I literally told you guys, when a firm comes out like that, just there was someone over in my friend's server that said he had 32K in payouts waiting, and they just rugged him, and he's in debt. It's pretty sad. Were they new? Yeah, they came out like a few months ago. That's what I tell you guys. When a prop firm just comes out, don't rush into it. Don't rush into it. Always wait for reviews to come out. That firm didn't have any reviews. No one got a payout from it. He's in debt. Yeah, bro. He put all his money into. Bro, those accounts were 500 a pop, and he had a lot of them. 500. Yep, $500 an account. I mean, bro, if you're gonna buy an account for $500, you might as well just fund your own live account. It's pretty stupid. But yeah, guys. Yes, still holding us up. Why were people even buying those? Cause the rules, they're like, oh yeah, well, you can request a payout every day. There's no rules. This is guys. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. It's I literally told you guys a million times. A lot of you guys always ask me about FTT. I always told you guys, not yet. There's no reviews. You guys don't know if it's legit, especially for $500 an account. No, it's what I mean. Just stick to what works. Apex and Top Step. Who cares if they have a lot of rules? It's what works. I mean, come on, daily payouts. That's not a thing. That's not profitable. What do you think about MFF? MFF is legit. The only top three firms I suggest if you guys are gonna do prop firms is Apex number one, Top Step number two, and Take Profit. That's also a new one. You guys gotta be careful. But yeah, so far chart wise, no reading yet. We gotta stay patient. Not today. Let me see. Who do you suggest for forex? Forex, nothing is regulated on forex. Do not do forex. Nothing on forex is regulated. It's horrible. Everything on forex is a scam. Yeah, guys, if a firm is not regulated, it's no. Don't do it. Okay, well, forex.com obviously that's legit. Not everything is a scam, but like majority of the things in forex is a scam. We're talking courses, prop firms, everything. Yeah. But guys, let's go ahead and take out 156 already here on NQ. We had the good reading, just not the good timing in the market, unfortunately. Can you use the same model for forex? Yeah. It's not forex itself that's bad. It's not forex that's bad. It's just the community around it, like prop firms, gurus, courses. It's exactly, it's all unregulated. So what are we looking at right now? We're looking to see a reaction off of 156. Depending on the setup and reaction that we get off 156, we'll be able to get you guys. I'll be able to get you guys a trade. But if the volume continues to be pretty slow like this, I really can't work with anything yet. So we gotta stay patient until we get something. Bro, you held that trade consistent? Are you crazy, bro? You are crazy, my man. I got stopped out fair and square. You know what I mean? We had a good reading, just not the best timing in the market. I feel like I rushed it. But that's something I could just go back into my journal and fix. I got the alert late. Just kind of thinking you got it, bro. How do you journal? Just like everyone else, I just journal my mistakes, what I can fix, where I messed up, and that's it. I just review it. How many ticks are in a point? 4. Do you just trade it up? No, I don't. I don't feel the need to pay for something. I could just write it down in my journal. Was a good trade idea. Maybe the stop loss was just a little tight. No, we had a good stop loss. We just timed the market wrong. A little bit. It happens, bro. You know what I mean? You can't get mad at that. You really can't. Do you always set a 25-point stop loss? Yes, I do. Yes. What are your thoughts on FTMO? I haven't really done my research on them. But that's something that you guys can Google. Just look for reviews, see how they do with payouts, how quick they are. Okay, we're pumping up right now. I'm not sure why, but we could probably work with something here. But why would you want to trade forex when future? Exactly. I'm gonna start sizing really heavy on my evals. I mean, bro, if that gets the job done, love it. Black Friday premium offer 80% off. I mean, I have something planned, bro. I have something planned. Let me see. Yeah, David. For TradeAvate, do you use the website? Or I use the website. The website. Yeah. The app. The website. I've never had an issue with it. Now we are pumping up a lot. I'm not sure why we're pumping up too much. It seems like buyers just want to get their final push in here. Now, I could probably give you guys a good game plan here, a pretty good game plan, to take a trade here, because obviously we're about to get, yeah, there's a fair value gap. This candle's gonna close in 1 minute. Now, what we could do here, guys, is we have not taken out any liquidity to a downside just yet, right? We still have 156 and we still have 121 to work with, right? So what we could do here, guys, is we could probably, with the push-up that we're getting, with a lot of buyers stepping in, we already created the fair value gap, right, which is right here. Now, what we could do here is if we can get one last push-up into 230, for example, we sweep this high right here that we created where price was struggling, right? We go back down, we inverse this fair value gap right here, we get an entry, and then we target the remaining liquidity that we've been trying to target all morning. Your mic keeps cutting out. Let me see. Hold on. Let me try to fix this real quick. Hopefully this works. Let me know if that works, guys. But okay, let me see. Lagging. You didn't hear shit? Okay, bad. I should be back now though, right? Can you repeat it? Okay. Let me say this a little bit slower. My bad. Back? Okay, perfect. My bad on that. Okay, so buyers stepped in, or buyers are stepping in really, really nice, right? I mean, hence we got a fair value. For now, we have a fair value gap, right? With this fair value gap, what we could do is we can push into liquidity above. We sweep liquidity that we created this morning, right? And then we push right back down into the untapped liquidity, which is at 156 and 121, right? We can enter by using this inverse that we created right here. Thing is, we need to hold this fair value gap, obviously, to get the entry. Now, I won't take this up until we take out 232 because that's the only reading we're able to get here in the market. So let me know if you guys heard that or understood it. Yeah, perfect. So that's the game plan right now. That's what I would say. Now we need a lot more momentum in the market because the market is looking a little bit slow for a Friday. I can't lie; these candles are not looking the most promising. But that's, you know, maybe we can pick up volume on the way. If a Ferrari forms higher than 232, we can work off that. Um, it depends. It depends. It depends. I would have to see how it looks like and all that stuff. But yeah, right now all we need here, guys, is just one 30-point push-up, and we should be good for a setup. That's all we need. One 30-point push-up. That's all. What about 260? 260 is really far. The volume right now is, if we could definitely see 260, but with the volume being kind of slow right now, I don't know if we can see 260 right now. Price is definitely struggling here, and I'm expecting a sweep very, very soon. ES is sitting at all-time highs, and I'm not sure why we keep playing around all-time highs when we should ideally be sweeping. At least so that's what we would want. Bro, this dude made 42 cents. But yeah, no, it's ES has too much strength and NQ has too much strength just to the downside. But yeah, I would really want to sweep off of 230. That's like the best thing that could happen here. Let's see if we can even hold this for value up in the first place. Because, like I said, NQ is just way too weak and ES is way too strong. I put 30 in the notion? No, it's 40. It's 40. My bad. Yeah, it's always been 40. It's always been 40. But yeah, guys, like, look, this makes no sense, guys. Look, ES is literally at all-time highs, pushing higher, constantly breaking new highs every single time, and NQ is really struggling to see any highs in general. So this could be a good thing, and it could also be a bad thing. Because if ES wants to push up all day and NQ doesn't want to follow along, that means that we're going to be chopping literally all day. You know what I mean? Now, if ES wants to show weakness, then NQ could really fall and give us the levels we want to see. Right? So it could be a good thing and a bad thing. It all depends on what it comes down to. Now, this fair value gap, I don't think it's really going to hold up anymore. I really doubt it. Yep. The market today is really a pain in the ass, let me tell you guys. But yeah, no. I think the market is gonna, yeah, a little bit The thing is, like on Monday, where the problem is, well, guys, Monday, I want to deliver. I want to deliver alerts for you guys. No, I'm not done for the day. No, 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 definitely not. I really want to deliver alerts for you guys, but Monday, it's what's it called? It's Veterans Day on Monday. And you guys know with Veterans Day, bonds are closed, which means banks are closed, and if banks are closed, that means there's going to be no volume in the market on Monday, right? So with a lot of days missed, I know a lot of you guys get annoyed, and you guys already know the deal. So I was really hoping I can get you guys something today. Enter the market all. Yeah, I know that, but it's my job to deliver. Now this open is looking a little bit choppy. Maybe PM could be a little bit better, hopefully. But we'll see. We will have to see. Don't retreat. No, don't worry. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. I'm gonna stay on though for a while to see if the markets can pick up some volume and take out liquidity. But in the meantime, I'm gonna stay patient and wait till something comes up. Don't worry. But yeah, let me see in the meantime. Bruh. In my experience, 3-day weekends tend to be bearish. Um, it's not that it wants to be more bearish. It's just gonna be more. It's gonna be choppier. That's what I'm trying to say. It's gonna be choppier. Use the 930 candle. No, the 930 candle has been filled like crazy, bro. This thing it does no. It doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. We're sandwiched in between 232 and 156. Yeah, bro, it's a little bit of chop. Literally since open, we've been chopping through this range. And I wasn't expecting chop today, out of all days. If David gets a bingo train today, I'll do the Diddy challenge. Bro, I'll try my best, bro. Just because I want to see that. I'll try, bro. I'll try. I'll see what the market gives us to work with. Got a sweep on ES. Well, we haven't swept. Yeah, we did take out the high, but we have not swept. It's just the market looks so weird today with ES taking out highs and NQ just sitting there. Because it's just there's too much buyers. That's the problem. This shit sucks, bro. Tell me about it. Tell me about it, bro. It's like prices, bro. You guys see this? It's like prices. Uh, it's just frozen on NQ. I'll give the market to like 11:30, 11:40 before I do anything. SPS might call it till Monday. No, call it till Tuesday, bro. Not Monday. Do not trade Monday, bro. Take my word for it, bro. I saved you guys yesterday with FOMC. Do not trade Monday. Banks will be closed. There will be no volume in the market. What if the fair value gap is so safe that it gets outdated? So market movers tend to do the opposite nowadays. No, 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 no. It's a concept. It's a concept. It's not. Banks don't literally trade it like that. It's a concept that tends to work. 2 month market fucked, bro. The 1 month winning streak going into 2 months, man. For now, it's gone. I mean, if we could flip this day back to green, shit, I'll be happy with it. But from the looks of it, with this AM session, I don't know. I don't know. I'll try my best here, guys. I'll try my best. The markets have been good, but it's a Friday. It's a hit or miss. I guess, yeah. Just a choppy market. It caught us. So we'll be an ES sweep anywhere, like literally any ES can sweep at any given moment. That's what we're waiting on, Leo. We're waiting on a sweep at any given moment. The thing is just buyers keep buying this up every time we try to sweep. So yeah, we like I said, we can sweep at any moment. That's what we're waiting on. The question is when or if we can even get it today. I train myself to not be mad at losses. Although I lost 730 due to a late fill, I can leave right now and know I'm fine. And okay, look, the way you train yourself is kind of mentally. Bro, look, you and I, Nate, and everyone in here, we all know that we're gonna make the money back. Anytime we have a loss, I never let it get to me because we all know, although it might suck at the moment, look long term. We know that we're gonna make it back. You guys know that. We're consistent. So there's no point of stressing or crying about an L because it's not gonna do anything good. You're not gonna get your money back, by crying about it, right? Um, you just review and you know that you're gonna make it back because you have a working strategy. It's that simple. That's why I'm still on. I know we can get something. The question is when. Bro, diamonds. I'll try, Cole. I'll try, my man. But we just need more volume to pick up. If the market stays this slow, I'll just take the L. This could be the push we're talking about. It's just volume is too dead right now. We've literally only pushed up like 20, barely even 20 points. So we'll see. We need a 40-point candle at least. No kebab for my children today. Yeah, bro, we're eating ramen noodles today, bro. For now, for now. Maybe the PM could be better. I doubt it, but it could. Definitely not the way I wanted to end the Friday though. But we can't be mad about it. At least, I'm sure most of us are still green on the week. If you caught the trades that we caught, just a little setback. I mean, is there a chance for a card, bro? Of course, bro. You're good. You're good. looks like I'm not eating today. Bro, come on now. MC, bro, this whole week, I only lost 200 on two of my evals, passed one today, and I'm up 1200 on my PA. Still a good week. Yeah, bro, of course, of course. Bro. But guys, by the way, a lot of you guys have been getting payouts lately, or even funded. So, always look on the bright side. X, I mean, you could try to revive them. There's been times where I've revived them. I'm still trying to pass my Eva. How do you all do so? Well, it all comes down to your sizing, bro. It all comes down to your sizing. Now, if you're doing 2 micros, 3, 4 micros, of course you're not gonna pass it in no time. You know, it's gonna take some time. But if you're doing like 10, 7, 10, you can pass it in like a week or 2 weeks, depending on the trades that you get. What's up, Zebby? Bro, this market right now is horrible. Yeah, it's slow. It's really slow. Really, really slow. Does the 30% rule apply after you pass the drawdown? Yeah, it will always be a thing. It will always be a thing. Give us a plan for the 50k evals to pass. It all comes down to your sizing. I need to know what you guys size. Some people full port, some people barely even size in a trade. You know what I mean? It all comes down to your sizing. I always suggest you guys what's a full port? A full port is when you bet the most like money into a trade. So if it barely moves, you'll pass your account. But yeah, when you full port, it's just you betting too many contracts on the trade. So for example, you're doing 50 micros in one long position. You know what I mean? If it goes up like 5 points, you're gonna be up like $1,000. You know what I mean? That's what full porting is. So you're putting the risk. So either you blow up your account in a few seconds, or you pass your account in a few seconds. There's no in between. Always full port, be a man. I mean, you know, my Blastoise Charizard is badass, bro. It's so many people like Charizard, bro. You gotta be unique. On Apex, do you need a buffer to get a payout? I believe so. You do now. Um, what's it called? I think it's what you need to make an extra 1,000 with the new rules. That's actually cool. What the hell? Okay, so the ChatGPT bot that you're creating, it's actually wow. Okay, so guys, it's not only me that's saying that the market is choppy. Apparently, AI is also saying the market is choppy. Look at this, guys. But that's actually really cool. What the hell, guys? Peep this. Peep this. They ask, is there a trade setup with the current chart that we have right now? And me, an AI, said, looking at the chart, it doesn't seem to be a clean setup for an entry at the moment. Here's why: lack of a clear trend, drawn liquidity. That is actually really fucking cool. What the hell, bro? That is really cool. Now, okay, it's really cool that you're creating an AI for with my strategy in the market. But the real question is, do you know how to turn it into a Discord bot? Because then that's when it gets really useful. You know what I mean? But that's cool. That's cool. It can identify a choppy market. So you guys know it's not only me that's saying the market is choppy. But yeah, that'll be sick. That'll be sick. If anyone in here knows how to code a Discord bot, GG, your job is cooked, bro. Apparently, yeah. Who knows, man? I can code Discord bots. Hey, you guys gotta get in touch. That'll be really cool. Imagine you're there asking in the chat and it's just like answering every question. Bye bye, David. All right. But yeah, no shit, guys. Like, no joke, no nothing. This market is insanely choppy. I'm hoping maybe PM could pick up, but AM I'm kind of just the hope is really dying down for the AM sessions. My hope is really dying down. But that's actually really cool. Like it can read a chart. That's insane. That's really cool. Now, if you're gonna create it, no, I'm not gonna call it a date. I mean the date just barely started. The market literally opened an hour ago. Um, at what time do you start the live the PM session? There's no specific time. I start it whenever I find the setup. That's if I find a setup. Make a live stream using Blast voice, bro. Imagine if I do that. Like you guys never know which AI side is that. But that's ChatGPT. Apparently, some one of the members is no, or not apparently, literally, they're coding a bot by giving it the alerts I put out, and training it to kind of like learn my strategy. Bro, that shit's gonna take my job, bro. Like all jokes aside, like bro, that's just gonna take my job. How much is the commission on 10 micros? I'm not sure. It's not much. I think it's like what, like $20 maybe around there. Bro, desert. Now that AI doesn't have good yapping sessions, bro. I seen AI trade for people before. Um, the thing is now I feel like it's too new. Like it's not stable. It's not gonna work. Obviously, it's not gonna work. But in the future, will it be a thing? I believe so. I really believe so. I do believe AI could be for trading. I mean, guys, you guys gotta understand. AI trading with AI has been a thing for decades in the market. You guys do know that, right? How do we know that, guys? The algorithm, the banks. You guys, I hope you guys don't expect there to be like an employee at a Wells Fargo in his office trading the market with $1 billion. That's not how it works. It's an algorithm. The banks obviously with the billions of dollars they have. The way our strategy works, the way the concept works, guys, is they pump billions into creating a software where the market is able to identify and like kind of do math around the market to identify where the liquidity is lying, and then the market can go ahead and manipulate the price by pumping billions of dollars that the bank has to control the price, heading it into like making it head into drawn liquidity. That's where our concept comes along, right? So we're able to determine or kind of read what the algorithm is doing and trade with the algorithm. That's why on Monday I'm telling you guys not to trade. Why? Because the algorithms are going to be turned off, right? The banks they're not going to be trading because the banks are closed for Veterans Day, and that's exactly why I'm trying to tell you guys: do not trade Monday. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Now, obviously, with AI getting more famous and a lot well known and a lot more popular, there's going to be a lot of coders out there that are interested in engineering maybe an AI bot. For example, one of our members into reading the market or even trading for us. Now, obviously, we don't have billions to kind of work around the market, so it's not going to be stable for God knows how long. But it is a pretty cool concept though. Bro, Leo, what's up? Bro, what type of question is that, bro? That may not be true. I have a friend who trades for the banks for Bank of America. Well, you guys got to keep in mind. Who trades their stocks, not a computer algorithm. No, a computer algorithm. I think it was proven that it's a thing. Now, of course, there's different terms to it. There's an institution, there's a hedge fund, there's banks. You know what I mean? So all those things they have their own algorithm to be able to read the market. That's where my concept comes along, and that's where many people trade. With the concept. But yeah, because what you have is probably a fine because you guys know there's like a position out there where you can give money to people and they invest the money for you. That's probably what your friend's mom is doing. There's like levels to it, right? But what I believe and what many people believe, which is where the ICT concept comes along, is where there's an algorithm. Right now, that's what controls the market. There's a difference between investing for other people, which is more of a financial advisor type of thing, and then there's a difference where the market is being controlled by billions of dollars. Because obviously, the market needs money to move. If there's no money, then it can't move. And that's where the people with the big money, such as institutions, hedge funds, and banks, comes along, and they control the market. So when you guys see these huge candles, for example, like this, let me try to find one, for example. Chop, chop, chop. For example, like this huge sell-off, you guys don't understand how many millions has to go into this one candle to sell off 96 points, right? Maybe even billions of dollars into this one candle. You guys gotta understand trillions of dollars are moved around in the markets every single day. You know how much money that is? We're talking trillions with a T, right? So obviously, our little $100 or $1,000 or shit, even $10,000, it's not gonna make a dent in the market, not even in one candle, right? These candles right here that are 100 points, it takes billions of dollars to move. Hence why banks are in so much control. They have the money to do that. We don't. We have like $1,000. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind next time you guys are looking at a big candle. Now, obviously, the less volume a stock has, the easier it is to control. Hence why a lot of pump and dumpers with a big following have the ability to move the market or move the stock or the option in general. You know what I mean? But when it comes to the S&P 500 or Nasdaq, guys, maybe even a billion will make a little dent in the market. You get what I'm saying? Are you trading live accounts or PAs? I'm only trading PAs, bro. PAs 10. 150 ticks. 150 ticks is not too much, bro. 150 ticks. That's literally 37 points. Oh, 150 points? Oh, that part I don't know. That part I really don't know. So then our trades don't really move the market. Yeah, exactly. Our trades don't move the market. That's, guys, you guys can keep in mind. Our strategy consists of us trading with the banks. We're trading with the big money. So when we're catching these really big moves, we're following the big money, right? So now when the market is chopping, like for right now, for example, right, we're not able to get any trades going because we know that there's no money being moved around. Hence why the market is moving so slow, right? So that's why we don't trade chop. A group or one-on-one, it's both, Viv, both. We're trading prop accounts. This shit doesn't. Yeah, it does not hit the market. Yeah, our contracts do not move the market. Even if you're trading a live account, your money is not going to move the market. You guys gotta keep that in mind. It's all about the big money. Blast, you think we're chopping all day? Right now, yeah. For the AM, we're probably gonna chop all morning. For the PM, we could pick up. Who knows? Blast, do you ever trade minis or just micros? I only do micros. Bootcamp pre part 3 is already made. Yep, it is. It is. Our trades don't move the market because everything is on a simulated account. Yep, that hence a prop firm. Even no, a PA is still a simulated account, but you're just making that money out of it. But you guys gotta understand, either simulated or not simulated, we don't move the market no matter what. Why do you prefer to stay on a PA as opposed to a live? I just make more money out of it. First of all, I have a tax advantage on PAs. You can make a lot. I'm making a lot more money off PAs. It's a lot less risk, like less stressful and risk free because I'm not trading with my money. ES is pumping, bro. Like this makes no sense, bro. Like ES keeps breaking new highs constantly, and NQ is just sitting here. This is not a good sign. It's not a good sign at all. I'm working on all of them, bro. David, if you're trading with an LLC on a live account, can you write off the fees and trades? I think so. Yeah, you should be able to. No, I'm sure you would have to show a receipt of all of that. Is there any benefits to being moved to a live account on a prop firm? It's kind of the same thing. You're just making money for the firm. You know what I mean? You still have the same rules applied. You still have the same everything applied. It's just real money. We're choppy due to NQ still inside of the previous day range. On the daily time frame, on the 4 hour. Oh yeah, I do get what you're saying. Oh no, wait, we kind of did break out of the previous day range though. Uh, the the thing is, okay, look, if you guys buy a lot of accounts on Apex or yeah, mainly Apex, yeah, you guys can write 100% of everything off there. It comes down to the evals, the PAs, all that stuff, and it's under a 1099, which is like a salary. So you're not really paying capital gains. Yeah, they're all expenses. Yeah, so you guys can spend $10,000 on funded accounts, and you can write every single dollar off, pretty much, or not. Well, I'm pretty sure that's from what I. NQ didn't take the previous day high, but ES did. Well, we took the previous day high at midnight, so kind of, yeah. With or without an else? Well, no, with. If we close in 10 minutes, you think we're cooked for shorts because of the bullish flag up on the 1 hour? I don't really base my trades off the 1 hour. But yeah, no, there's nothing here, bro. There's really nothing here. It's just the thing is, ES just keeps breaking new highs constantly when we're doing nothing on NQ, which looks really ugly. And it's just how, of course, of course. Well, actually, not too much. That's all stuff that you need a tax accountant for. They explain it to you with that, and then they actually do it for you. I can't do that because I'm just a trader. Why don't we go long eventually? NQ will catch up with ES. I mean, bro, it should have been caught up. You know what I mean? It's just really choppy. Plus, even if you were to go long, first of all, where would you put your stop loss? And second of all, where would be a perfect entry? You're not gonna enter longs just because ES is going up. You know what I mean? Because eventually something's gonna sweep. Did I miss anything? Nah, bro. Just chop. Wait, so every time you buy an account through Apex, you can write it off? Yes, bro. What do you guys think I've been doing? You can write off the eval and the PA. Well, okay. Well, my bad, bro. My bad. My bad. Flash action is a death sentence for your account. Yeah, bro. Tell me about it. We're here waiting for somebody to pick up. But if anything, guys, um, I think PM might be the move. Hopefully. Do you have an LC? Of course, bro. Of course. Yes. What if I get an LLC after? You're gonna have to make new accounts, unfortunately, because when you guys make an Apex account, you need to put your LLC name. Can you write off what you already bought? I think you can. I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah. Why don't we trade ES or YM? First of all, ES is really slow, and second of all, ES is at all-time highs, and there's no setup on ES. It's just kind of a slow grind up to the upside. There's literally nothing high like A plus here. I'm thinking if AM is as PM ain't gonna. Yeah, that's the thing. It's really hit or miss. There's been times where AM has been bad and PM has been better, but it's the odds are pretty low. We moved a lot in London, so it makes sense where we chop now. David, if I haven't purchased any accounts, should I make an LC? Yeah. Do that. It's a smart thing to do. Yes, sir. I'm not doing PM. It cooks me staying up all night. You can always come back Tuesday. It's always the next week, bro. Let's do PM. I'm down. I'm down for it. David, if today is choppy and Monday is choppy, will Tuesday be extra juicy? Bro, fingers crossed, bro. We can only hope. Okay, so to trade under an LLC, you need to make an Apex account as the LLC and then get your accounts. Yes, exactly. Because when you guys create like the documents and everything, it asks you for a tax ID, and then you just put your, the ID. It's either social security, passport, or tax ID. Um, I would wait until NQ gets out of the 4 hour range. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting for a breakout here, but with the volume being a little bit slow, you know what I mean? It's not the best looking. How long are we gonna be looking at the charts for the AM? Also, I'm back in the US. David, I'll be trading every day. Perfect, bro. That's what I like to hear, my man. I don't know. For the AM, I if it continues being this slow, I'll just come back PM. How do you write it off? You just show it. You just show it to your tax accountant, and you let them do the job. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm just a trader, guys. I'm not. You can still write off expenses without an LLC. Yeah, exactly. You can still do that as well. But I think you have to pay an extra percent. I think that's what I understood. David, is there a video of something showing how to make an LLC? Bro, just call up a tax accountant and they do it for a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you. They do it. It depends. It depends. Everyone does it differently. Some people do it for $100. Some people do it for 300. Maybe even 500. It also depends on your state fee. It's just a whole mission. I'm not the one to ask for that. But yeah, you can do it by yourself as well. But it's kind of a headache. So I much rather, if you have the money for it, I much rather just have someone do it for you, and you're good. You still need some type of business formation if you plan on trading full time period. Well, yeah, you just explain that to them. You know. Can you have your accounts under your name and under an LLC and trade them simultaneously? Yes. Now, does Apex encourage that? Or not encourage? Do they allow it? Not really. Can they catch on to it? It depends if you're good at being sneaky. If you have a different address, you can put that. But yeah, you can. Hypothetically, yes. You could trade 40 accounts. Now, that's a big move there. 40. Because you guys know Apex limits your accounts to 20, which is more than enough. But yes, you could do 40. Why? Because you're trading under your name and you're also trading under your LLC name. Now, do they allow it? No. But if you have a different IP address, you use a VPN, and you also provide a different billing address, then you could probably work around the Apex rules and probably work around that. Do I suggest it? No. But yes, you can hypothetically do that. Yep. Now, is 40 accounts too much? Yes. I mean, I don't see why you guys could possibly need 40 accounts. I mean, that's very stressful. But hey, you do you. You know what I mean? If you can make a general video on how you did your LLC for your Apex account and such, there are plenty of members that appreciate it and could learn a lot from it. I know you're not taxman, but some general. Let me see what I can work with there. Because it's a little bit hard. You gotta keep that in mind. Let me see. What responsibility do you pick up with an LLC? I don't know about the responsibilities. I mean, it's really the same thing. For example, if let's say, for example, you get in a fight with someone and they sue you, and they unfortunately win, and they sue you under your LLC, they just take everything under that LLC. So if you have like $1 in your bank account, in your business bank account, but you have $1,000 in your real bank account, they can only really take the $1. You know what I mean? So it's kind of there's the pros outweigh the cons for an LLC. I mean, you're just protected, tax advantages, write-offs. You know what I mean? I went to the city yesterday for the LLC since it was the online was still pending, and they were so helpful. They said online they're backed up. Oh, perfect. Got it. Yeah, it depends on your state, or yeah. Bearish SMC showing between ES and NQ, right? Yep. ES, no signs of a rejection, which is why NQ is kind of chopping up. So we're right now, what we're waiting for is we're just waiting for ES to show weakness to the downside, so NQ can finally start selling off. That's what we've been waiting for all morning. Yeah, you can get a free lawyer as well. Yeah. Let me see. Not for real. That would be a lovely review because I'm thinking about going LLC raw for New Year. Don't wait for it. Just do it ASAP. That goes for everyone. The sooner you guys do it, the better. You know what I mean? Because you guys are gonna be spending money from now till New Year's. You know what I mean? So you might as well just kind of possibly write it off under an LLC. You know? The more you wait, kind of the more money you're losing. And trust me, I learned it. I learned that the hard way, unfortunately. Okay, David, could you put me on with the same CPA that got you your LLC? Yeah, bro, of course. Just DM me, and I'll send you her number. When we go to a tax office, how do we explain to them how Apex works? Being that it's trading, but we're getting a 99, or 1099. My bad. Apex will provide you the documents, bro. You just show them the documents, of the salary that they paid you, hence the payouts, and you're good, bro. Everything's all documented. So you just show them the documents and you let them do their job. You did a video on the no, not yet. If we took a sell on during London sessions, we would have made so much money. But keep in mind, bro. I mean, we were all sleeping. It's a would have, could have, should have situation. We were sleeping. Which reminds me. Oh, okay, yeah, bro. Take care of that, bro. Calling it a day. All right, bro. Yeah, that's fine, bro. That's fine. For me, I really want to stay on. I want to make sure I get you guys something to trade. Don't stress, bro. You've been doing good. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I just don't want to end a Friday on red. Now, I won't force anything, of course, but I'll definitely try my complete best to give you guys one more trade, as long as it looks good. Hopefully in the PM. Red for the day, pistol green for the week. Yeah, same here, bro. Same here. I gave back a little bit. I can't lie. I'm down 500 on the day, and on 10 accounts, that's 5k. But you know that's part of the game. You know what I mean? I'm still green on the week. I mean, shit. We literally caught 120 points this week, right? On Monday, Tuesday, the 4th. When was the 4th? Monday. Ah, got it. So yeah, so Monday. How much are you up on the week after that loss? I think I'm up like 4k overall, which is good, amazing. You know what I mean? What do you think of next week other than Monday? News-wise, I think we should be good for next week. Let me double check for you. Hopefully we don't have CPI. Let's cross our fingers here. Let me check. Next week. Ah, we have CPI. Fuck. Okay. Let's make the schedule for next week, guys. Okay, so Monday, bank holiday. We're not trading Monday because banks are closed. Our strategy does not work when banks are closed. Tuesday. We have no news Tuesday, so we should be good for Tuesday. Wednesday, CPI. Yep. I'll try to trade CPI on Wednesday. I'll see how that works out. Thursday we have PPI, which is not a big deal, but we have Powell on Thursday, so I'll probably just avoid the PM session. And then Friday we have no news other than 8:30 a.m. So next week is pretty action packed. Let me tell you guys. What's your strategy called? Is it ICT? Yeah, it's pretty much ICT. Yeah. It's fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, drawn liquidity, and MSS. So 4 models, all squeezed into one. Looks like ES is inversing finally. Bro, ES is still in the same spot, bro. I don't even know if we can get an inverse today. We'll see. How big does the gap need to be before it is considered a fair value gap? 40. The candle needs to be 40 points. That's all you need. 40 points in one candle. But guys, look on the bright side. Look on the bright side. We have a long weekend. 3 days. 3 days. You know what I mean? So that's definitely something for me to take in. You know, I need a little mental break. How come the ICT strat is profitable but he isn't? It all comes down to psychology, bro. Maybe he's too emotional. I mean, you know, everyone's different. You think you can get a 500 point this month? Yeah, bro. What? Of course. Yeah. Did you trim? What? Yeah. But yeah, no. People can have a working strategy, but if they're too emotional and they don't know how to hold their trades or not respect their stop loss, they can be unprofitable. You know. See, not profitable. What about the YouTube? What about the YouTube videos? How do you know that? Wait, what? I mean, did you enter a trade? No, I'm not in anything. I'm not in anything. But what do you mean desert? Well, ICT has gotten exposed before. Um, you know, the main reason people okay, I'm not trying to argue with anyone here. Or anything, but the main reason a lot of people say that ICT is not profitable and is proven to not be profitable is because he's been in about I think 7 Robinhood Cup or not Robinhood, Robin's Cups or whatever it's called, right? Robin's or Robinhood? No, Robinhood is a broker. Robin's Cup, right? And if it you know pretty much for those who don't know what a Robin's Cup is, it's kind of like think of it as a tournament on who's the better trader for the year. And yeah, he participates in practically all of them. And in every single one, he always blows his account, which if he claims to be so profitable, shouldn't really be You know, sure, it happens. But every single year you blow your account, especially this year, it's you know, it gets to a point. You know what I mean? I've never heard of him. Let me go. Yeah, Robin's Cup. That's what it's called. But yeah, I mean, someone could be a good mentor and not be a good trader. Are you still in shorts? I'm waiting for you to, bro. No, I'm not in shorts, bro. But yeah, that's what people argue. I mean, well, you guys gotta. It's either take one man's word for being profitable, and a statistic. Oh yeah, and he also paper trades, which is not a bad thing. Well, you know, unless you're flexing it. Have you monitored your CA yet? Nope, bro. Not until I get it out of warranty. But guys, this market is looking hideous, man. Price is looking so ugly. Oh yeah. Oh, I see what you're trying to say. ICT stands for I can't trade. Yeah, bro. Everyone says it on Twitter, bro. Everyone says that on Twitter. ICT stands for I can't. Bro. That's creative, bro. That's creative. There's a trader who took ICT and made a high priority called DTFX. You can look it up on YouTube. Yeah, no, I mean, guys, getting the concept, ICT concepts are not bad. Don't get me wrong, they work. They really do work. I mean, we all trade them. Little do you guys know, right? But it's getting the concept and just reworking until it works for you, right? Because there's people on Twitter where they're like, oh yeah, I trade ICT, but I will never give him credit, right? Because they get the concept and then they just work around it, right? He doesn't need credit for the trades that they take. On top of that, I hope you guys know, for the people that like ICT, and I'm not talking to anyone, don't get me wrong, but I think he got or not really exposed. Just people. He got strategies that used to work decades ago, and he just put them into his own words to to teach members. Like he just made it easier. How many days do you trade per week? Every single day, bro. Now, will I get a trade every week or every day? No. There'll be times where I get a trade every day. There'll be times where I get 1 to 2 trades a week. You know, I can't control that. It's just whatever the market wants to give me. I have a friend that made 800K. Wow, bro, that's one friend. Let me tell you, bro. Piano liquidity and fair value gaps, they're amazing. I mean, you and I both know. I mean, it's all we trade every day, guys. You know what I mean? But yeah, never leave this friend. ICT concept is nothing new, just like any other concept. Exactly, it's nothing new. ICT has been a thing for decades. I hope you guys know that. Like, ICT is not the creator of the strategies. I'm in 100K debt. Can you help me? Can you help? Bro, I don't even have 100K, bro. I'm broke. When was your first payout? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I think it was sometime near August last year. But that was when I used to trade one account only. Nah, I don't think he's being for real, bro. I hope he's not being for real. Yeah. Why didn't you start trading, bro? What type of question is that, bro? um, what are you eating for lunch today? Noodles, bro. Noodles. We're down on the day, bro. Someone said rocks. So you trade every day per week, and sometimes the market will give you 2 trades per week. Yeah, and you still make 10. Well, not always, not always. It depends. It depends on the market, of course. But bro, if you're copy trading and you have good sizing and you get good setups, yeah, you can make 10K in 2 weeks, maybe even in 1 week. You know what I mean? I mean, if you look at the alerts, I mean, most of them were 50 points to 100 points. So those are really big trades. And one thing I want to tell you, bro, is you gotta think of it like this: less is more in the stock market. If you take 1 to 2 trades in 1 week, but those trades are over 100 points, you've made more than enough money for that week. Now, if you're taking 5 trades a day every single day and you're making 5, 10, 20 points, then you know what I mean. It's gonna be more of a headache, and you're gonna get the same result. Can you copy trade a 50k and 100k Apex account? Yep, you can. Oh yeah, I did hear about Powell resigning. Yeah, and he said that he's not gonna do it. Yeah, he's like no. Bro, I gotta find that clip, bro. 25k on a 150 $1,500 profit goal. How can I manage my risk and risk reward? You do 5 micros. You risk about 260 per trade. I think it was 260 per trade. And you should be good. You should be good. Yo, Krabby, what's good, bro?
Hello.
Hello. You caught anything?
Hell, bro, I'm not trying this.
Bro, I got stopped, bro.
What'd you take?
Bro, ES had a beautiful sweep off open. I'm like, bro, like, cause I woke up with a bearish bias. I mean, shit, we're all time highs, bro. So I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm like, fuck it, I'll take shorts, and it went green for a split second, and then it just reversed on me. And I got stopped.
Just, bro, we're stuck. Look at.
Yeah,
look
no,
at NQ.
we're stuck literally all morning, bro.
So bad.
I lost 2.3 candles. Nah, bro, now you're oversizing on that one, bro. Now that is partially your fault. You gotta fix your sizing there. David, do you have any videos showing which rally up to trade or inverse? Yeah, of course, of course. Here, let me send you this one. But what's up, bro? How's your day going, Krabby?
Good, bro. Good. Just
It's a bit of a headache
trades.
today, bro.
Nothing. Yeah. Just dry.
Yeah, dry markets today. I have 4 accounts and I do copy trading. So does it mean if I get 5 contracts per account, does it equal to 20 contracts? Yep, it does. It will just split it in between those 4 accounts.
Probably you're real soft. What the fuck does that mean?
Bro, your mic is low, bro.
Oh, my mic. Is that better?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, what the fuck
You
is
could
that?
have worded it better, but yeah, that works. Yeah,
I
no,
was like,
Krabby,
what?
markets today, bro.
Bro,
I got too trigger happy with this trade. Like it
this
looked good.
was
Like bro, like
barcode.
bro, like it
It
looked
was-
good. Just
Dude, look what I said in chat. Bro, what is
yeah,
that?
bro, it's horrible. Maybe hopefully PM will be better, but bro, Krabby, you know why, bro? Look at this.
Huh?
If you look
What's
at
up?
look at NQ, right?
Yeah,
Our
yeah.
high's broken. We're in the range.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at ES.
Yeah. Yeah, right at the high.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, ES is on crack.
yep. What's your 50k risk model? I do. You should be risking about 360 per trade. You size about 9 to 10 micros, and you should be good. With the 1 to 2 risk reward, you're looking at to make $700 per trade by risking 360. I always risk 2.2k on each trade. Bro, what is your account size, bro? What?
Bro, rough. ES didn't sweep no high, bro. What do you mean?
Yeah, we're at highs. We haven't swept any. Rough. That's what we've been waiting on literally all morning. We've been waiting for an all-time high sweep. We just haven't gotten anything. So that's why I'm here sitting patiently, for 2 hours. But yeah, bro.
Oh, David.
You're not gonna trade Monday, right? Oh well,
Bro,
you never even trade
we're
Mondays.
closed. It's closed, right?
No, the market's not closed. This is banks. That's so stupid. Like if banks are closed, why not just close the whole stock market?
Yeah, you're.
It's dumb.
Yeah, I probably won't
And
trade
I know
it.
there's gonna be that one person that's like, "Yo, why are you not trading?" I already know it. Why do you guys prefer trading drawdown over static? Because it's really hard to start off at first. With a static, you have barely any room to play with the account. You literally have a $600 drawdown. One little wrong move in the trade, and you're out of the game. Does Krabby trade the same strategy? Yeah, same strategy, just different entry models. When you go on
Or
vacation,
David,
can Krabby be your backup? That's something to ask him, bro.
backup. What does that mean, backup?
Like you would alert for me while I'm gone, living life.
Oh, David, look what I'm about to send you.
But
Be honest. I made this last night. Is it good or no?
where are you sending it?
Our group chat.
Um, I mean, bro, why'd you put the ICT logo?
Because it's what do you mean? It's based off
Bro,
like
delete the
internal,
picture,
external.
bro.
What? You don't like it?
No, bro, you're giving credit to someone else over your model.
Bro, I mean the whole internal, external is ICT.
Put it under your name. Like
I did.
it's your. Yeah, no, but like delete the picture. Like put like your picture or something. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What do you mean by ES didn't sweep all-time highs? It's been yeah, exactly. We haven't swept all-time highs. We're at all-time highs, but we haven't broken below it to go down. I mean, yeah, obviously you can name it. What? Secrets don't make friends. I mean, he tweeted about it. Here, it's this. It's his model. Okay, but, you want me to send it over in the?
No comment.
I mean, bro, I'll send it. Alright. I mean, it's literally on your Twitter, so it's not so secretive. Okay, look. It's his Rev model, but he has the ICT picture on it. But yeah, bro. I might just say to come we come back PM session. But the thing is, bro, with this chop right here, with us getting slower and slower by the second, we're probably gonna be even choppier during the PM session.
Yo, Patrick, looking good this morning, bro. Keep it up. Looking jolly, bro.
Bro.
What a goat.
Some of the president-elect's advisors have suggested that you should resign. If he
Such
asks
an
you to leave, would
exquisite
you go?
selfie.
No.
bro, Krabby.
What?
Bro, Powell yesterday in the FOMC speech, they're
What?
like, oh yeah, like the presidents they want you to resign. Would you leave? Bro, he looks straight at her face like no. And that's it. He just doesn't say anything. She's like, okay. That's it.
Wait, is it the clip you just sent?
Yeah. Bro, just watch it. Bro, he looks at her. He's
Alright.
like, no. Bro.
Bro, he's stupid, bro, Loki. Like, he's so smart, but so stupid.
Nah, I love my Powell, bro. He's made me so much money, but made me lose so much money too.
Okay. He's such a weirdo, bro.
Some of the president-elects did that you should resign. If he asked you to leave, would you go?
No.
The love-hate relationship,
literally, yeah. Bro, Powell is literally like, bro. How long has Powell been doing this for? It's not like a 4-year thing, right? 20
Somebody said 150 years.
Bro, Krabby, this market is so fucking slow, bro. It's a headache. And
Oh, I know.
It just makes it so much worse.
Wait, Dave, what's your thoughts on FTT?
Oh yeah, I talked about I talked about it later today or earlier today. I warned everyone before I'm like I always say when a platform is new, don't use it until it has reviews. I don't even think they've ever paid anyone out. I don't know.
A rug pull in 2024 is crazy.
FTT has paid out? Oh, okay. Millions? I don't know about the millions part. I mean, they literally went on no, they paid to Kane. Well, Kane is look, guys. Krabby, what was the thing that they said with the content creators? Remember?
What, the influencer shit?
Yeah, guys. What's it called? FTT. Okay. Let me explain this. It's gonna take a minute, right? Okay. FTT. It's an upcoming firm. It's a brand new firm, right? They already have a good reputation because they're paying out, right? Now, They need more reputation. So how do they get that and more of an audience? Well, they reach out to influencers, right? We're talking Kane, we're talking Brian, we're talking Desi, we're talking all these people, right? Very big traders on the Twitter space, right? A lot of people follow them for the prop firms. Okay, now the FTT, CEO, he gives them a affiliate code telling them to promote FTT to the other people, right? Okay, now there's a lot more people getting in. Now, FTT came along with a very, very bad thing where their payouts, they haven't paid anyone out for 2 months. They're delayed 2 months in payouts, right? So everyone's freaking out. They're like, hey, are we gonna get our money? Okay, right? Now, apparently this whole thing has been a planned thing. They were gonna rug pull this. They knew that they were gonna do this, right? The CEO knew it. Now, what better way to get one final straw of a big few $1 million from people buying the accounts? So how do you do this? Well, they get the influencers to get a payout, obviously with the daily payouts, right? But they obviously, the influencers, the big traders on Twitter, them being said, they're like, oh my god, guys, FTT just paid me out, right? And people are like, oh, okay, so it seems like FTT is still paying people out, so let me buy an account by using this creator's affiliate code. It brings the creator and FTT more money, but they're still delayed 2 months on payouts, right? And little do you know, yesterday FTT ended up closing all the services and everything will, no one's getting paid out, right? So think of it as like, what is it, Krabby? An influencer, what's the word?
Hmm.
Like where, like the influencer had the power. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. But do you guys get what I'm saying? Like, they knew that they're gonna do they're gonna do like the rug pull, so they paid out the influencers to make it seem like they're still paying out and they're legit and everything there, and then people buy it, with the affiliate code and blah blah blah, and it's a whole scheme. Yeah. So unfortunately, a lot of people got scammed. Bro, Krabby, did you ever hear back from the guy from your chat, the one that lost 32K?
Bro,
That's really fucked up,
that's
bro.
sad,
That's really
bro.
sad. Yeah, really fucking sad.
Guys, this guy was up 32K on his accounts,
In
and
payouts,
the
he
whole
he
in
requested. He said
payouts,
that
yeah,
he requested.
yeah, 32's up 32K, guys, and they rug pulled him.
Yep, as he requested, everything just shut down. Can they sue? No, because guys, I don't know if you guys know this. I mean, you guys probably do this blindly when you guys are buying your accounts, but when you guys are signing the paperwork, I'm sure no one probably read the paperwork, but it probably says something in there that you can't sue us if something happens, right? But
You
us
can't.
being super excited, we're just gonna just click the check mark and not read through it, right? So everything that you guys are always signing and checking out to when you guys are buying the accounts, there's probably something hidden in there saying that, hey, if we ever shut down, you can't sue us, right? And you can't do nothing about it because when you bought that account, you signed those papers. If it's fraud, you can sue. Probably there's probably a workaround, but who knows?
But once you sign that paper, you can't sue shit.
Yeah, just like an
Good luck.
NDA, for example, right? If it's fraud, you can't say anything about it because you signed an NDA. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you literally signed
You
the.
can't do anything about it, no matter what. Same goes with Apex, same goes with Topstep, same goes with FTT, same goes with everything. If it was planned, he can sue. Well, no one knows if it was planned or not. Only the CEO knows, obviously, and the CEO is not going to admit to that. I mean, he literally went MIA from all social medias, and he's not going to be found. Now,
JJ, it's a new prop firm. You shouldn't rely on it.
I always tell you guys which prop firms are legit, guys. The ones that have been here for years. We're talking Apex, Topstep, MFF. Now the rest I don't know about because they're pretty new. But for example, Topstep has been in the game for 10 years, right? 10 years. They're not going anywhere. Apex has been a thing since 2020. They're not going anywhere. They're the number one firm. They always pay out. Sure, the rules might suck, but guys, for the price that you're paying less than $200 per account. The rules, it's part of the game, right? Now, if you get a prop firm that's brand new, no rules, too good to be true, daily payouts, this is this, obviously it's gonna be a scam. It's common sense. That's why I told you guys not to do it. No, not if the SEC, bro. The SEC will give them a slap on the wrist, bro. They're not gonna do shit about it. Trust me.
Loki, no.
They don't do anything about it. Look at Zach Morris, bro. He pumped and dumped millions upon millions of dollars to his fans. He got a little house arrest and now he's free. A little 1 year house arrest. That's it.
Bro, all the celebrities, David, that did thump and dumps,
Yeah,
they're all
they,
still.
they get a slap on the wrist. You think the CEO is gonna do something? Especially when he had all those documents signed. Nothing's gonna happen. I hate to say it. I hate to be the one, but I'm being real here. Nothing's gonna happen to him, unfortunately. And he made millions of dollars. I mean, I think they posted somewhere on Twitter where he's buying McLarens, watches. Yeah, he's enjoying that money. He knew what he was doing, which is a very scumbag move. But you know, we can't do nothing about it, unfortunately. And it just sucks because, like, bro, like someone that that's in our community got scammed for $32,000. And the worst part is he paid in crypto for the accounts, so he can't get a refund even if he wants to.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's dumb how
Yeah.
he did that.
Now, if you got it with like a Bank of America, or a credit card or a debit card or whatever, sure, you could probably dispute it and more than likely get your money back by showing that it's fraud. Now with crypto, who are you gonna call? No one. 32K would change my life, dog. I can't imagine. It's just sad. Yeah, bro. I mean, it is. It's really fucking sad. In payouts, like he already requested the payout. It was just pending. And imagine you wake up one day and the site is just shut down. You never hear from that money again. It's gone. So only those 3 firms. Can you name any more? I can't really name any more because I don't know any other ones. But if you want really secure, like really really secure firms, Apex, TopStep, MFF. Those are the best ones that you can get. Yeah, look at the message right there. Was waiting on 32K and now I'm in huge debt. I was counting on that money. This Discord was changing my life, and FTC ruined it. Keep rushing it, guys. I'm gonna take a much needed break. So, and in the other Discord, this girl's waiting for 120K in payouts. That's the thing. It sucks, man.
I ain't gonna lie, 120K, not even Apex is paying that shit.
Nah, Apex will pay it. Just barely.
Bro, you gotta be perfectly in the rules.
Yeah, they're gonna find a way to say no. But I mean, shit, bro. Look at Kane, 1.9K, or not K, millions.
I know, but it was more for marketing. They paid him out.
Yeah. Thank you, but this dude, bro.
Is that right now?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, I'm hungry.
I'm waiting for David to save me, bro. I can only do so much, bro. Bro, Krabby, this market is so ugly, bro.
I don't know.
Fuck. What's so bad about TopStep? Nothing. Nothing has nothing's wrong with TopStep. There's one of one that TGR promotes with negative spread. But it's way new in my. Okay, now TGR's prop firm, it is new. Keep that in mind. I wouldn't suggest it just yet, but I don't think TGR would do that. He doesn't see. Well, you can only have so much trust in a person, especially a person that you don't know personally. But I don't think TGR is the type of person to do that. But you guys never know though. You guys really never know. Does TopStep have a loser consistency rule? I don't think so. A social media influencer started his own firm. 2 of them. We're talking Nikolai, which he's not known for the best things ever. But you have Nikolai.
David.
What?
Oh my God, David.
What?
DM.
And then you have TGR.
Read. Oh shit.
Hold on.
Wait, read the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth phrase.
Did I read the whole thing or just the 5th one?
No, but look at the name. Or yeah, 5th or 6th.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3.
What name are you talking about?
4.
What?
5. Go to 5. Oh.
That's not good. Oh shit.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh. What the?
Well, it's not anything bad. I just read the message. It's not bad, but
It's not bad, but
his name.
you know what that means, right?
Yeah. A lot of.
No, look.
Oh shit.
That's bad, right?
That's really bad. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
really
yeah.
Fucking bad. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh brother, you already know the chat's going crazy.
Yeah. Oh shit, we gotta go back to the chat.
Anyways, next topic. Okay. But yeah, no.
Dude, bro said summoned by RP.
Bro, 230 would look like it wants to get. Um, Eventually, Leah. Eventually. I mean, it's 11:30, and we haven't broken any highs. The entity site is still up for a little bit. I bought an account just to see if it was really true. Bro, you planning a rug pull? Nah, bro. I already told you guys. If I ever create a crypto, that's when I do it. I already told you guys. I warned you guys.
Okay, you're weird.
I'm just trying to save my audience. Nah. It's all
Uh,
jokes. It's all
I
jokes. But this
Krabby and
market
David
is
planning a
so
rug.
shit, bro.
Yeah, Twisted, make sure to buy 20 accounts, please. LOL.
But bro, didn't they dox like the CEO?
Hell yeah.
We're gonna have to fly out the country or something. I'm sure he already did though.
He said he's home protecting his family.
Yeah, right. What does dox mean? Like you find someone's like address online, his name, probably his credit card. He's home for protecting his family. Bro, he knows what bro. That's crazy bad. Bro.
Ew, you guys are weird.
What's the statute of limitation? What is that?
I'm east. East, super east. Krabby sounds like he's fat. No, I'm actually not.
Bro.
Like, how does somebody sound fat?
Bro.
But David, if I say something like that, I'm the bad guy. It's crazy, bro.
I'm here to tell you
What?
guys Kirby's not fat, bro.
Bro, knowing them, they probably have like pictures of us and shit.
Yeah.
Weirdos.
Bro.
Sounds Asian. Guys, I'm European.
How long until you can't get in trouble in many crimes? You get arrested within 7 years and can't be charged. Oh, that part I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know anything about crime. Bro, Hanif. Oh my. My uncle once told me. Bro. Um.
Wait, Paul, you're Albanian? Oh shit.
The day before election was such a good day. Yeah, it was. That was the day we caught 120 points, right? 25 points around there. Yep. Yeah. Bro, this market is so bad, bro. Bro, Krabby, he said that you look like Shinobi.
Hell no. Don't disrespect me like that.
Bro.
Hell no. Oh, let me not say shit.
Off to the gym.
Ooh!
I might go as well, bro. To the gym. Bro, Krabby. Should I call it a
What's
PM?
up?
Should I call it till PM?
Yeah.
Bro. Guys, I'm not even gonna ask. There's no point of asking. No point of asking. I'm gonna try my best to give you guys a trade PM, but if the market continues like this, I can't work with anything. But yeah, all right, bro. All right, guys. I guess I'll just come back PM. Hopefully we get something, so I don't have the day red. But I'll see what I can work with. All right, guys. Please don't force anything. Please do not force anything, especially in a market like this. You're gonna get stopped out regardless of what you take. All right, guys. What time you starting PM? Just whenever I see a setup. Whenever I see a setup. All right. But yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you guys streaming it. Of course. That's if I get a setup. A big if. But yeah, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call it an AM session for now. If we get something in the PM, I'll come back on live and we catch you together. All right, guys. All right. Peace out. See you out. Peace out, everyone. Peace out, Krabby.
Peace out.
Peace
Peace
out,
out,
guys.
guys.
And YouTube, guys, if you guys want to get access to the premium to get the access to the live trading in the PM session or just live trading in general with no delay, guys, click the first link in the description or click the second link in the description for the free Discord, and you guys, will have access to it. All right, guys, but yeah, I'm gonna call it a live trading for today, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Okay.